Hey everyone, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a clean with me. I hope this will motivate you to tidy up and clean your kitchen and clear around your house. Today I'm going to be cleaning around the kitchen, dishwasher, washing machine, and just restocking some stuff like the cereal. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and like it. Who else dislikes crumbs? Give this video a thumbs up if you also dislike cleaning crumbs from a toaster. I can see why it's very important to clean your toaster very often because crumbs are everywhere. I really dislike them so much, but hey, actually cleaning the toaster itself is a big chore. So give this video a thumbs up if you also find cleaning the toaster to be a big chore. I find organizing cereal and other things very therapeutic, so putting things in a smaller container and a bigger container is what makes things really, I don't know, almost therapeutic, just watching other people do it as well. Let me know if you are also into watching people refilling stuff like laundry detergent or dishwashing stuff. Just let me know. I know quite a lot of people enjoy watching these type of videos because it motivates them to clean, it motivates them to tidy up and organize. So I hope this is giving you that type of motivation to tidy up around your house or to stock up your cereal. I mean, I know it's the simple things that people tend to really need the help with. But yeah, I really hope that this is helping you guys, giving you that extra push to go and do it whilst I'm doing it. You can watch me do it. So I think some people like watching people do it and then they can feel the motivation to go ahead and do it themselves. So if you are finding this channel to be helpful, please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment section below. It really helps me out and to know what type of stuff that you guys might be wanting from me. So yeah, thank you so much. This is what the kitchen looks like now with all the crumbs removed and the cereal being boxed back and put in its place. It didn't take that long, honestly, about 10 minutes everything was done. And now I'm going to fill up the last part of the cereal, and I really enjoyed doing this. I actually enjoyed filming it. Just seeing the cereal pouring out was actually a lot more amusing than I thought it would be. But I've seen quite a lot of people really like this type of videos, watching people pour cereal, and so I've tried to do it. If you guys really like this, I will continue doing it. And it's also letting me learn actually how to create these type of videos and this type of content. So give me a thumbs up if you are thinking this is quite good for a first time person doing it. This is my first time actually learning how to create these type of videos and the angles. So onto the dishwasher now, and yeah, just repiling, putting things where they're supposed to be, including the cutlery, which is actually the that loaded up, I'm going to quickly turn on the dishwasher and let it start cleaning those dishes. I'm going to now start on the washing machine, cleaning the washing machine. I love using the elbow grease. If you're not new to the channel, you know I love elbow grease. It works so well on quite a lot of surfaces. I love it on the washing machine. I could use another product, but I always pick elbow grease. It just melts all the dust, all the grease, whatever is on it, it all comes off without much scrubbing. And even the fibers when you've dried your washing machine, I love using elbow grease on that. But sometimes I do use white vinegar. I tend to think white vinegar is a better option, but if I don't have white vinegar, I will use the elbow grease, and it's just a fantastic product. I think I might just do another review on that. And I'm gonna now clean the inside of the inside drawer of the washing machine. This actually as you can see, I'm using elbow grease again just to clear the drawer, to remove all the grime and all the stuff that's on that. But yeah, unfortunately I didn't realize that my camera was dying, so the video is gonna cut off. But thank you so much for watching. Apologies for the quality, and I will see you guys on the next video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.